How to add more friends to Snapchat shortcuts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can add more friends to your Snapchat shortcut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you want to do is open up your Snapchat. Make sure that your app is up to date to its latest version. After you're there, if you swipe to the right, you'll see your Snapchat friends, and on this top bar you'll find your shortcuts. So let's say that you want to add more friends to this shortcut right here. To do that, long press on the shortcut and this section will open up. Now all you have to do is add more people by selecting them. So after you do that, you can tap on save and you'll have updated your shortcut. And that's basically it. Now if you want to create a new, you will find the new option to the right side of this section. So if you tap on new, you can also edit your shortcut from here or add a new shortcut. And you can always create a new shortcut to add more friends. And just add an emoji there. And there we go. And that's how you can create or add more friends to your shortcut. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.